for those that haven't watched your YouTube channel videos yet, um, give us a little background about how you ended up posting these videos on YouTube because, um, you know, I've shot some other episodes where I talked about, some dumb shit I've done in my past. You said something right before we started
Yeah,
recording.
no, my whole past was dumb shit. Like literally, I ended up in prison for 10 years because I was just chasing money. I was chasing fucking everything quick. I was a millionaire before I went to fucking prison. I lived in the Harbor Club down here. We would go to Stingery, get bottles. We would just living the fucking life, drug dealer life, pushing huge packs. I mean, getting 250 pounds at a time, making $3 off each elbow to where we're making 75 grand a week before I went to fucking prison. Like literally I would get 250 pounds dumped off on me. Half would go to one homie, half would go to the other. And I would just pocket 300 bucks on each pound. I would cut them open. Fucking, they would come in like big old fucking nuggets, like BC pounds. I would tar a fucking office trash can on a big scale, put it in the motherfucker. Anything over 448, I would take the chunk out, throw it in a bag. I'll make 15 off the top, like in 1 second, going through all these bags, resealing them, have someone do it for me. I'd make a couple pounds off the top. Then I'd give them off to 2 people. They would flip them. I wouldn't touch them. I wouldn't drive nothing. Had it fucking orchestrated. Make about 80 grand, 80 to 100 grand a week easily. And then just spend it all like a dipshit. Had the Range Rover, had the Mega Spot, fucking Super Flossy, the Breitling, the whole stupid nine when you were a kid in 2006, 2007.
So where do you think that where do you think that hustler's energy came from?
Oh, man.
Are you born with it? Or is this something you learned by watching other people?
I watched gangster movies. I wanted to be a gangster. I wanted to go to prison. I wanted to be the baddest motherfucker. I'm about acquiring what you admire. And I don't give a fuck. Like, I thought that was badass. Is it good? Is it bad? Whatever. It is what it is. Whatever you're fucking drawn to is inseparably connected to your path and your purpose. So I was meant to go to prison. I was meant to crush it. I was meant to become the swollest motherfucker in the yard, the most blasted, making the most money in the joint, and then come out and teach everyone that shit's pussy, it's fake, you're running from shit, be a real fucking man, be committed, stand up. And then I made myself a millionaire within 4 years of coming out, 2 years coming out. It's been 4 years now. Motherfucker got 2 Rolls Royces, 2 Lambos, and millions stacked, millions invested. And the thing is, we're not stopping because we're getting people real fucking results. My channel looks like me just speaking. But it's not fucking platitudes. It's not just some feel-good shit to get you motivated. I get real results financially, physically, mentally, spiritually, in everybody that gets on my team.